Tired of manually adjusting your rental rates? Dynamic pricing tools can simplify the process. I'll show you how to use dynamic pricing to get the most out of every booking. Hey there, amazing viewers. If you enjoy our episodes, don't just hover around. Dive deeper. Hit that subscribe button like it's the key to a treasure chest of vacation rental knowledge. And ring that bell like you're summoning fun directly to your screen. Subscribe, ring, and let's keep your adventure rolling. One of the biggest challenges vacation rental owners face is pricing their property correctly. If your price is too high, you risk scaring off potential guests. Too low, and you're not maximizing your revenue. This is where dynamic pricing comes into play. Dynamic pricing helps you adjust rates based on factors like demand, seasonality, and local events. So you're always offering a competitive price without leaving money on the table. In this episode, I'll explore how dynamic pricing tools can optimize your vacation rental income and how you can adjust rates to reflect factors like local events, occupancy, and guest preferences. Ready to take the guesswork out of pricing? All right, let's get started. Imagine this. A guest walks into your vacation rental and their eyes light up. They take in the perfect blend of comfort, style, and care, and they know they found something special. But getting there, that's the challenge. That's why we created Start Strong, building a successful vacation rental from the ground up. This course isn't just information. It's your blueprint for creating a rental that stands out and sells out. Transform your vision into reality. Click the link to learn more and start your journey to success today. First, what is dynamic pricing and how does it work? Well, dynamic pricing, also known as demand-based pricing, is a strategy that allows you to adjust your rental rates in real time based on various factors. Instead of setting a fixed rate all year round, dynamic pricing tools analyze your market data, such as local demand, competitors' rates, and upcoming events to recommend the best price for each day. Imagine having a system that automatically increases your rates when a major event is happening in your area and lowers them during the slow periods to attract more bookings. That's the power of dynamic pricing. So when should you use dynamic pricing? Well, there are two main reasons why dynamic pricing is essential for vacation rental success: maximizing revenue and increasing occupancy. Maximizing revenue. Dynamic pricing helps you capture extra revenue during high demand periods, such as holidays or local events, when guests are willing to pay a premium. Without it, you might be undercharging during peak times, missing out on significant earnings. Increased occupancy. On the flip side, during slow seasons or last-minute vacancies, dynamic pricing can lower your rates to make your property more appealing to budget-conscious travelers. This flexibility keeps your rental booked even during the off-peak periods. So what are the factors that influence dynamic pricing? Well, dynamic pricing tools adjust your rates based on several key factors. Understanding these will give you a better insight into how your pricing shifts and why it's effective. Seasonality. High and low seasons have a significant impact on prices. For example, beach houses can see high demand in the summer, while ski cabins peak during the winter. Dynamic pricing tools automatically adjust rates to reflect these changes, ensuring you're not charging too much during slow months or too little during busy times. Local events. Concerts, festivals, conferences, and sporting events often bring in a surge of visitors to an area. When there's an influx of tourists, demand for accommodation increases. So can your rates. Dynamic pricing tools detect these local events and adjust accordingly, helping you capitalize on increased demand. Occupancy rates. If your rental has been sitting empty for a few days or weeks, a dynamic pricing tool might lower the price slightly to encourage last-minute bookings. On the other hand, if your calendar is filling up quickly, the tool might raise your rates to reflect higher demand. Competitor pricing. Dynamic pricing doesn't just look at your property. It analyzes similar vacation rentals in your area. By comparing competitor rates, it can help you stay competitive while ensuring you don't undercut yourself. Now here's a tip. Always monitor your competitors, but don't just match their prices. If your property offers more value, for example, better amenities or location, dynamic pricing tools will help you price it accordingly, allowing you to charge a premium. So how do you implement dynamic pricing tools? Are you ready to put dynamic pricing into action? Here's how you can get started with some of the most popular tools. Price Labs. Price Labs is a powerful dynamic pricing tool that offers real-time data analysis. It customizes pricing recommendations based on market demand, competitor rates, and your property's historical data. One of the best features of Price Labs is its flexibility. You can set a minimum and a maximum price level to ensure your rates stay within a comfortable range for you. Beyond Pricing. Beyond Pricing is known for its simplicity and ease of use. It integrates seamlessly with platforms like Airbnb and Vrbo, automatically adjusting your rates based on local demand trends. Its data-driven approach ensures you're always getting the most out of your rental, whether it's a high-demand weekend or a quiet midweek. Wheelhouse. Wheelhouse offers personalized pricing strategies that caters to your specific goals, whether it's to maximize revenue, increase occupancy, or both. It provides comprehensive market insights and adjusts your rates based on real-time data, helping you stay competitive in your market. Now, if you're new to dynamic pricing, start by setting up a free trial with one of these tools. Most offer free trials, so you can see how it impacts your bookings before committing. One of the best things about dynamic pricing tools is how they adjust your rates based on occupancy and local events. But you can also take manual control if needed. If you notice your calendar is filling up quickly, especially during those peak dates, you might want to manually increase your rates for those days. On the other hand, if you have vacancies during an unusually busy time, consider offering a discount to attract last-minute bookings. If there's a major event like a sports championship or a music festival happening nearby, you can temporarily raise your prices to reflect the higher demand. Even though dynamic pricing tools do this automatically, keeping an eye on local events ensures you don't miss out on any prime booking opportunities. Feeling stuck in the vacation rental rut? Break free with our groundbreaking guide, Unpacking Your Property, the top 25 secrets to successful vacation properties. It's not just another manual, it's a revelation that will change the way you view your rental. Discover the industry secrets that can catapult your property to success. Grab your free copy now and start the transformation. Have you ever tried using dynamic pricing for your vacation rental? How has it impacted your bookings and revenue? Share your experiences in the comments. Dynamic pricing isn't just a fancy tool. It's a strategy that helps you get the most out of your vacation rental. By adjusting your rates in real time based on demand, seasonality, and local trends, you can maximize your revenue and increase your occupancy rate. Are you ready to implement dynamic pricing in your vacation rental? Whether you choose Price Labs, Beyond Pricing, or Wheelhouse, these tools will take the guesswork out of setting your rates, helping you stay competitive and boosting your bottom line. And that wraps up another episode of Vacation Rental Resolutions. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell and share with your friends. Remember, every successful host starts with a dream, just like yours. Stay inspired, keep learning, and make your vacation rental shine brighter than ever. Join us again next week for more gems. Until then, Happy hosting.